Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Disha and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share some of my winter favorites that I've been shopping like since last 2 months now. The entire December and this January month, there was a lot of sale going on like in store and also online. So I have shopped a lot. I have got denim jackets and then dresses, sweatshirts, sweaters, a lot of accessories. So there's a lot to show to you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first item that we have today is this denim jacket. So this is from the brand Mango, and a short story behind this, like I always wanted a denim jacket but I wanted a perfect one. Like मैंने बहुत सारे denim jackets try किए थे but मुझे कभी उनका color पसंद नहीं आता था, कभी उसका style पसंद नहीं आता था या फिर उसका fit पसंद नहीं आता था. But I finally got one which is I think perfect according to me. इसका size, like इसका fit, everything is perfect. And the material is also very nice. Of course, this is from the brand Mango, so I expect it to be of good quality. And overall, I really like this jacket. I can style it so many ways. And if you guys want to know how, in different ways you can style this jacket, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to make a video of that. So overall, I think this is one of the favorite purchases that I've done so far, and I really like this jacket. So the next item that we have is this sweater or pullover. This is from the brand H&M, and I really like the color of this one, guys. So this is fuchsia pink color, and usually अपन winters में काफी dull colors पहनते हैं, but I really like to have my sweaters that are vibrant in color. For example, the one that I'm wearing also has this mustard, black and white combination, so that really pops out and gives a chic style look. So I overall like this sweater. This is also very soft, and this is from their Divided collection. Yeah, and I really like this. This was for rupees 7.99, and I did not get any offer on this one, but yeah, because January was my birthday month, I got 10% discount on the overall purchase that I did from H&M. So I think I got this for rupees 700. The next item is this sweatshirt. So this sweatshirt is again from the brand H&M, and this is how it looks. I again like the color of this one. This is my favorite color. Like orange is my favorite color, but this is fluorescent orange, and this is a sweatshirt actually. It has this NASA thing printed on it, and it also says I need space. This is again for rupees 7.99, and as you can see, I got this for rupees 4.99, which I think was a steal deal. So the next item is this sweater. So this is a basic sweater from the brand H&M, and I've got this because I'm traveling to a snowy region and I wanted to layer something inside my jacket. So this is a basic sweater which I can style or pair with so many different things. This one I actually ordered from the H&M app, and I have got all my bills right here because I have been shopping a lot online and offline. So just to keep track of all the prices, so the price of this one is rupees 12.99, and I got this for rupees 7.99. So I almost got 500 rupees off on this one, and I think this it is a very good investment because these kind of sweaters you can style them in so many different ways. Next item is this jumper or sweater from the brand H&M again, and this is from their Divided collection. I really like इसका ये color and the pattern, like this grey and black combination. ये पूरा ऐसे full winter looks देता है, and again this is not very thick material. This is quite thin, but I think Mumbai की सर्दियों के लिए it is perfect. So the next item is this top. This is basically a sleeveless smock top, and this is from the brand Max. I got this online from Myntra. I really love the detailing at the bottom of this top. बहुत cute लग रहा है, and I basically took this top because I wanted something fun and vibrant to pair inside my denim jacket. So this I think would be perfect because Mumbai में इतनी भी ठंडी नहीं है, and this would be perfect if like perfect sleeveless top to wear inside a denim jacket. So yeah, this will also add a pop of color with the plain denim jacket. So yeah, I really like this top. This is for rupees 349, and I got 50 rupees discount, so I got it for 300 rupees. So guys, the next item is this dress. This is from the brand Zara, and this has polka dots all over it. If you have seen my previous haul videos, you already know that I love polka dots, and I have so many clothes that have this print on it. This has puffer sleeves, and these are short sleeves, and it also has this elastic at the bottom of the sleeves. This is a midi length ड्रेस. सो ये आपके नीज के थोड़ा नीचे तक आएगा एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ अ परफेक्ट विंटर वेयर ड्रेस इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू गो ऑन अ डेट in winters, and I think this will look really very stylish and cute. This one was for rupees 4,000 and I think I got it for rupees 1,200 on sale. So Zara ke stores and also on their website there is a good sale going on, so if you guys want to buy this, you can check that out. The next dress is this one. So this is again from the brand Zara and this is how it looks. I really like the floral print of it. I know the color looks quite dull, but I think I can style this up. This also has these 2 pockets right here, and it is basically a shirt dress, so it has all these buttons till the bottom. Overall I like this dress. ये मैंने ऐसी casual wear के लिए लिया है, and again this was on a good discount. This one was for rupees 4,000 and I got this for rupees 1,200. And the next item is this bottom wear. So this is how it looks. This is a culottes and I really love these buttons that are there in the front. So ये ऐसे high waist में आप पहन सकते हो, and ये दोनों साइड में ये जो buttons है बहुत stylish लगेंगी. Also this is a culotte, so and इसका length भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. So if you are short in height, then I can suggest you to wear culottes because ये आपको बहुत length देगा and you will also look taller because you can pair them up with so many different tops and shirts. इसको आप casual way में भी पहन सकते हो and also in formal ways. So also this one was for rupees 14.99 and you won't believe, but I got a very good discount. I got these for rupees 450 only. I think I'm done with all the clothing items. Now we'll move on to accessories. So the first item is this belt. So I have been eyeing on this belt since very long time. In fact, I've seen so many YouTubers wearing this belt, especially Sejal Kumar. She styles this belt in so many ways and she has worn this so many times that I really wanted to buy one for myself. और मैंने ये finally ले लिया. There was no discount on this one. This one was for rupees 799 and मैंने सेल का भी वेट किया कि ये सेल पे आ जाएगा तो मैं इसको ले लूँगी. But सेल तो आ गया, but there was no discount on this one, so I finally got it. And ये मेरे को again मेरे birthday offer में 10% discount मिला, so I think I got this for rupees 700. So this is how it looks. And if you already know me, मेरे को ये ऐसे embellished belts काफ़ी पसंद आते हैं. ऐसे studded वगैरह जो detailing होती है belts की मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आती है. So guys, the next item is again a belt and this is by far my most favorite belt. And guys, look at this. This is how it looks. This is completely embellished and this has this stud detailing right here. Also it has this pearls throughout the belt, and I think this belt is a statement itself. You can pair this up with a simple black dress or any colored dress, and this will take your look to next level. Guys, ये belt मैंने west side के store से लिया है. I did not get this online. Also this one was for rupees 499 and I got this for rupees 299. So I could not believe कि ये 299 में मुझे इतना अच्छा belt मिल सकता है. So as soon as I saw this, I knew that I had to get this and I got it. So yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase. The next item is this like the sandals from the brand Ajio. So ये मैंने Ajio के website से लिया था. I never ordered anything from Ajio, but I thought that I'll get something, and just to try मैंने सिर्फ एक चीज़ मंगा के देखी from the brand Ajio, and if you can already see ये already यहाँ से damaged है. Also this one यहाँ से इसका already ये skin peel हो रहा है. I don't know. I think I have to return this because ये सा damaged product तो मैं नहीं रखूँगी. But I really like the style of this one. Again, this is embellished. These were on great discount. So the original price of this one is rupees 3,000 and I got these for rupees 450 only. Include a nightwear also क्योंकि ये मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से मंगा के रखा है. But I don't have a separate video to do for this one. I thought I'll just include it in this one. अगर आपने मेरा nightwear वाला haul देखा है तो I love Fab LA के night suits. The satin nightwear that I got from Fab LA was fantastic and I really loved it. And this is the another one that I got. So this is the top of it. मुझे इसका print काफ़ी पसंद आया है and the material is also very soft and so comfortable. So the original price of this one is rupees 2,400 and I think I got it for rupees 1,000. So ये nightwear suit of such a good quality in just rupees 1,000 is nice deal. So guys, I completely forgot to show you this bag. This is a sling bag that I got from Myntra and this is from the brand Accessorize. ये पूरा एक ऐसा black sling bag है and it also has this tassel in the front. इसका belt भी adjustable है, so you can adjust it according to your height and preference. इसका ये golden chain detailing मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आया है and this is, as you can see, this is a very big sling bag. तो इसमें आपका बहुत सारा सामान आ जाएगा easily. ऑल्सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड. यहाँ पे आपको एक पॉकेट भी दिया जाएगा जो काफ़ी बड़ा है एंड उसके अंदर काफ़ी सामान भी रहता है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. आई हैव समथिंग इनसाइड इट राइट नाउ. एज यू कैन सी आई हैव लॉट ऑफ स्टफ इनसाइड. सो ये बहुत ही अच्छा बैग है. मैं इसको डे टू डे बेसिस पे यूज़ करती हूँ व्हेनेवर आई एम गोइंग टू अ मॉल और यू नो ऐसे ही बाहर कहीं जा रही हूँ तो. एंड बिकॉज दिस इज ब्लैक इन कलर, ये बहुत सारे आउटफिट्स के साथ इजीली पेयर अप कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स गाइस. If you want to buy anything that I've showed you in this video, I'll try to find all the stuff online and mention the links in the description box because मैंने बहुत सारे items store में जाके purchase किए हैं. So I'll try to find them online. If they are available, I'll mention the links in the description box. And yeah, that's all for this video guys. If you like this video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. Bye guys.